Hello, my name is Tony Doveski. I'm coming from the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine in Skopje, Macedonia, Cyril and Methodius University. So we are for such a period of time using this platform of Research4Life and using the scientific base for agricultural science and from veterinary medicine especially. And our students for the faculty, PhD students and practitioners can use this basis for better information, for better practice in their scientific approach. So our experience is very good, and this workshop was also to exchange our opinion, our experience with other people from the different countries. What is for me the great benefit of this workshop.